Complete. She completes her homework daily. Complete. She completes her homework daily. Upset. I am upset that you did not call. Upset. I am upset that you did not call. Wait. He is waiting for his friend. Wait. He is waiting for his friend. Feel. I feel like going out. Feel. I feel like going out. Know. She knows about him. Know. She knows about him. Study. All children should study. Study. All children should study. Earn. We earn money by working hard. Earn. We earn money by working hard. Read. She reads a book daily. Read. She reads a book daily. Stand. Please everybody stand on queue. Stand. Please everybody stand on queue. Go. We all go to school to study. Go. We all go to school to study. Pay. At most debitors pay loan on time. Pay. At most debitors pay loan on time. Write. Write a letter for sick leave. Write. Write a letter for sick leave. Explain. She explains it well in writing. Explain. She explains it well in writing. Eat. We eat food for energy. Eat. We eat food for energy. Respect. Everybody must respect the law. Respect. Everybody must respect the law. Drink. We should not drink packing juice. Drink. We should not drink packing juice. Tell. We would never tell a lie. Tell. We would never tell a lie. Sleep. At least 6 hours sleeping is good for health. Sleep. At least 6 hours sleeping is good for health. Get up. We get up early in the morning. Get up. We get up early in the morning. Take. I take a cup of tea every morning. Take. I take a cup of tea every morning. Give. My father gives me pocket money. Give. My father gives me pocket money. Come. May I come in, please? Come. May I come in, please? Go. May I go out, please? Go. May I go out, please? Help. We must help to needy. Help. We must help to needy. Walk. She is walking slowly. Walk. She is walking slowly. Run. She is running normally. Run. She is running normally. Help. A hot bath helps to relax tired muscle. Help. A hot bath helps to relax tired muscle. Bath. Bathing is good for health. Bath. Bathing is good for health. Love. We love our mother much. Love. We love our mother much. Feed. Every mother feeds milk to her baby. Feed. Every mother feeds milk to her baby. Wash. We wash our hands before eating. Wash. We wash our hands before. Brush. Children should brush their teeth every day. Brush. Children should brush their teeth every day. Ride. She rides the bicycle slowly. Ride. She rides the bicycle slowly. Drive. We must drive the car slowly and carefully. Drive. We must drive the car slowly and carefully. Ride. He rides the motorcycle very carefully. Ride. He rides the motorcycle very carefully. Teach. The teacher teaches the children. Teach. The teacher teaches the children. Look. He is looking out of the window. Look. He is looking out of the window. Like. Please like my videos. Like. Please like my videos. Meet. They meet together every week. Meet. They meet together every week. Play. He plays football every Saturday. Play. He plays football every Saturday. Reply. He did not reply to her greeting. Reply. He did not reply to her greeting.